ADC's Adtemp 429 non-contact thermometer provides a fast, easy way to take temperature while avoiding risks associated with cross-contamination. As with any infrared thermometer, proper measurement technique is key to ensuring consistent readings. To take a measurement, press and release the measure button to turn the device on. The thermometer will perform a self-check, briefly display a number of icons, then beep twice when ready. Position the thermometer about 2 inches from the center of the patient's forehead, pointing the sensor at the skin. Press and release the measure button again. Slowly move the device toward the forehead until the reading appears. You'll hear a single beep, and the amber light below the buttons will flash. If you'd like to take an additional reading, reposition the thermometer and press and release the measure button. The unit will power off in about 30 seconds after the last measurement. For more information, please consult the instruction booklet that came with your device.